Whoa, look at you. Turn around so we can see your pack. Whoa, that looks good. Wow, good boy. Okay, welcome to another video. This next project is actually quite a bit of a good one. It's quite a fun one. My boy, I got this for my boy. He loves Ghostbusters. Loves seeing me in my pack. He loves turning the pack on, all that kind of stuff. So we bought him one of these little blue kids Proton packs. These are really inexpensive. I think it's about £12. Crazy. And we also got him the little thrower. It's a lot bigger than it should be compared to the pack, but he loves that too, and it makes all kinds of good little noises. But what I thought I would do is actually make this look a little bit more 84 looking, so I'm going to paint it. I've taken off all the stickers, a load of stickers. The red bits on there, by the way, aren't stickers. They're kind of, it's like a kind of painted effect. But I'm going to paint it all up. Get it looking good. There he is in the background there, look. I've masked areas that are moving parts and or bits I don't want to paint, or I can paint with paint pens. Make it really easy. And taking off bits I don't know what this was on the side of the pack. I don't know whether it's supposed to hold something up or there's accessories you can buy for the pack. I don't know, but I took that off because I won't be needing it. I did leave on, Daddy, hold this a second. I left on that little arm on the side there. Yeah, you have the backpack then. Because I think I can get this somehow hooked on there. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. I'm going to hook it on there. I'm gonna paint it, baby. You want Daddy to paint it black? Go black, yeah? Like Daddy's? Yeah? We look like Daddy's, yeah? Cool. And then I've got some really small loom, so I'm gonna use that to connect, and it's gonna be pretty. It's gonna go black, baby. Yeah, we're gonna paint it. Dad's gonna paint it today, okay? Yeah. Very quick video. I'm just gonna give this a quick undercoat, give it some primer. It'll be a grey primer like usual. Seen in my other videos, you know what I'm going to do. And then just spray paint it black. It's going to have a nice matte finish. And and then we'll do some detailing afterwards. And I've got a sticker pack, actually. What did I do with that? I bought a sticker pack off of a guy from Etsy, which are designed for this exact thing. So I don't know if I can show you now. I've got loads of stickers. I'll show you them properly later when I get this painted up. But I've got enough stickers there to maybe do 2 packs, funny enough. But the stickers are for 84, which is brilliant. It's going to be amazing. So let's do this. Let's get into this. I'm going to go quickly spray it up. When we come back, I'll show you the detail I'm going to do and some other bits and pieces. Let's do this. You ready? Say yay! 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 Say yay! Yay! Cool. Let's go and do this. Okay. Look how these came out. Look. I'm really happy with this. It's not going to be anything as detailed as I've done with the Hasbro Spengler pack. Obviously, it's going to be a complete matte black. There's obviously got to be bits that have got to be sorted out in terms of colour. There's obviously stickers to go on here. I've got areas that I want to paint a little bit more black. So I've got a black paint pen because where I've had to cover some areas, there's going to be areas that didn't get paint because the way I had to mask it was very intricate, and I just wasn't that bothered to be that intricate. This is now making a noise, funny enough. And there are areas that need to be silver, so I've got a silver pen, silver chrome, and just for a little bit of detail here and there, I do have a gold, which is going to give a little bit of effect in certain little bits of areas. But this is for my 2-year-old, nearly 3-year-old son, so I'm not going to go to town. I'm just going to get some stickers on there, highlight some areas. I'm going to look to see if I can fix a loom on here to somewhere around here. I don't know how I'm going to do that just yet because I want my boy to have a proper... I've left the... and I didn't paint inside, by the way, but I've left a little hook on there, so I need to find some kind of D-clamp or something I can put on here so the boy can lift off the, you know, the wand like you do. It's going to be a little bit of a labour of love. I am really feeling this. Even though I painted it, all the little areas still move. I don't think the clip art moved anyway, but it's going to be fun. Let's get into this and see what it's like at the end. Let's do this. what do you think? How good does that look? That's pretty awesome. This has got the sticker pack. Got a little stickers there. I'll leave a link to the Etsy page where I bought the stickers from. But this looks brilliant. I mean, the little paint pens of red and blue didn't really come out too well. But the silver and the gold I've used for like a bronzing effect. It's really effective. I love it. The boy loves it. I need to do the wand next. I've got loads of stickers for the wands. I know there's lots of little bits to do, but I wanted to keep it nice and clean. No weathering, no rub and buff on this one. This is just going to be as it is. I love it. I bet that's really, really good. Let me know what you think in the comments so far. See if you like it. I'm quite pleased with that. Let's do the wand. Okay, and here is the wand. Look how good that looks with the stickers and a little bit of chrome paint. That's incredible, look. I love it. Now the sticker pack I got doesn't seem to be fitting on this very well, so there must be another wand specifically for this. Now you see I've actually put a loom on there. It's a smaller loom than you'd find on a regular pack. Just put a hole in the bottom just there. I need to cover it up with a bit of black paint. And in the bottom of this, be really careful when you like screw into this, or when you drill, because I've drilled this out a little bit. You're pretty close to where the screw is there, so you just have to work around that little kind of tube inside where the screws together, otherwise they're going to snap and it's going to pull this apart. You don't want that. So I've got a hole just big enough. I had to use a knife to kind of carve a little bit more out than I needed. It's slightly bigger or longer than I need for the loom. Let me see if I can show you. Hold on a second, because this is still wet. Let's bring that out there. And if I show you, it will fit. I keep doing that. I keep turning it. I left the batteries in, of course, painted it, and the batteries still in it. So that will fit into there. There's a little bit of a hole either side, but some hot glue that'll hold, and I'll probably strap some tape around it as well. I'm really looking forward to my boy getting this for the first time. I think he's going to love it. That's quite loud. And here he is. Logan, what do you think? Do you like it? Is it good? Is it better black? Yeah? I don't know how you bought that into the kitchen, whatever. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it. All I've got to do is a bit of hot glue, but I'm going to leave the video there. Let me know if you've got any comments. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What do you think I should do better? That kind of stuff. Always happy to answer comments. I'm really excited to get this glued up and get the boy in it. I'll probably put some pictures out in a couple of weeks. We've got the big event coming up, so the big Ghostbuster event. If you're in the south of England and you cosplay Ghostbuster, or you've just got your pack and you want to get involved in a charity event, we are doing a massive get together. Just seen a bit that I need to do. Massive get together on the south coast in a shopping centre called Proton, just outside of Portsmouth, and it's going to be huge. We've got Ecto 1 there. My mate Carl is bringing his screen accurate pucker Ecto 1 down. It's got all the noises. It looks fantastic. Come and get pictures. And we're fundraising for cancer research. If you want to get involved, drop me a comment down below or follow the link to my Facebook event. It gives you all the details. Thanks, ladies and gents. I'll see you guys and girls very soon on another video. And until that next video, please like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Be fantastic. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.